Ka jingya per kalong ba shaningi kasap kabun nadu ki nong ring nadu ki nong shnaya ka script nadu ki directors hadu ki artist ne logistic kasap kabun mo Shillong ka jing per kalong ba nyimpat yo kata ka dong no ka kom penwandur ya ka karkhana ban ong bang idon lut ye ki bang idon kam
Shen ki pad ba nyau trap kin sayo iya ka Phlim batamai ka bapher na ki wei pat ki jat pen bernya ki bala mi baro shikata ki bala pen shong nongrem Halor ka jing it bat ki wei ki phang long brio man brio Henry hakane ka Phlim bandang mi ka phang pusan ka long shaphang ki kam Bamsap bampong bat ki kamru nar ba bon jat Uba kiani lingdo unong pen mi yakane ka Phlim ulaya thu hakilat pathai khubor ba yakane ka Phlim an sajer kerteng khat sau phra
Ki pada hakane ka industry you have to be serious about what you're doing. You cannot just take as a hobby. Hobby, maybe it starts as a hobby, but then it has to turn into a profession, which pays, then you can be dependent. To go to that extent, key factors, Shillong by tango active long serious, and if you don't have a support like proper theaters and proper technicians and proper that government policies, keeping government policies. We are not clear what is that policy entail. It has to be on a public domain to see what is that policy is all about. Because film policies in different states varies. Guwahati varies because maybe Guwahati, Assam, they give a lot of subsidies to even the theatres owners so that they can maintain the theatre properly, so that can encourage stakeholders but invest much in a hall because your subsidy around 30 to 40%. So it's a ladangang happens na theatre lajong. Advocate subsidy, which means can encourage, So when we see the biggest drawback, kajongi Shillong, they bang down theatre, and that's the biggest challenge. And no point making film ladam down theatre. So why should I? Because movie is a product, you need to sell. If you don't have a place to sell, it's no point. So to do that, we need a lot of stakeholders to start investing on theatres at different maybe kamongi state barit mo. Maybe we could have two Opojawai, two Hanokstoin, Mairang, which are bigger districts, and of course Shillong, a few more theatres. So if we have at least 10, guaranteed 10, this is a booming industry. Because PGE, Mangasni, government capacity building, entrepreneurship. And what is that? Or entrepreneurship, this is also one of the industry. Why not concentrate, do some investment on this line? Government Halor ki kejat lajong. Dalayang forget about government job. There's no more government job now. There are a lot of avenues. And filmmaking is the biggest. In Bombay, people survive on film industry. South, you see how it has even taken over Bollywood and other Hollywood industry. Why? Because they have that trend. But every individual can support their industry. So even that trend of stardom is dying. Anybody could be a star from every corner of the place, depending on how you have a platform. But if you're about watching TV, watching Netflix at home, everybody has home theater. But then that fun of going to the theater with your friends or hang around is a bit different experience. So people go watch a film, experience is different. You spend time with your family, your friends, and eat popcorn and stuff like that. So it's not about watching the movie, it's about the experience of a movie, basically.
Shaningi kasap kabun nadu ki nong ring nadu ki nong shnaya ka script nadu ki directors hadu ki artist ne logistic kasap kabun mo Shillong ka jing per kalong ba nyimpat yo kata ka dong no ka kom penwandur ya ka karkhana ban ong bang idon lut ye ki bang idon kam ti tam kata Henry ngathai banya compare shani bat shabar te kalong shanir gila ai tambah ke Shillong no ni duna ki support desi kum ka government kan dari yo ke support na government ni bon ki sponsor ki producer ki belong bet tang ki bait film tengah thai ni rum yam slam show bangin kiu sha kerdan jong hadu ka Hollywood ngadut benong ba ilajan poi